Hi, so I'm making a different quilt block today and thought I'd share it with you, but first I want to show you what it's going to look like, so hang on. This is the quilt. It's called Grandma's Apple Pie. It's in this Quilting Quickly book from, are you ready? 2018, July and August. So it's an old one. And the cool part about it is how you put it together. So these are 2.5-inch squares. These 2.5 by 10.5-inch strips. And I mixed them all up. And here's a close-up of what they used. They had it a little bit more color coordinated, but you know, I like to do things differently. So here's mine. I have the strips, the 10.5-inch by 2.5-inch strips planned out. And then I kind of tried to keep the blues the same. I have another one that I'm putting together here where the colors are not the same. It's going to be very scrappy, and chances are the strips here are going to be scrappy too. I have a lot of fabric and I'm just trying to use it all up. Some of these pieces, these 2.5-inch squares, were cut up from the last time that I made a quilt. The last two quilts actually. Whatever I have left over when I get to the bottom, I cut a 2.5-inch strip square out of, and I have a drawer that I put them all in. And then these I just pull from the stash. So that's what I'm making. The cool thing about this is it doesn't matter how you iron it. You can iron them all going one way because they don't interlock. They don't have to have a matching piece here because this is a straight edge. So it doesn't matter how you iron these pieces. So you can sew a bunch, which is what I usually do, and then I sew them all together. But I wanted to lay this out so that you could see how it's done. Once I get a bunch of them done, let's see, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. They'll finish to 10.5 inches square. And then when I get a bunch of them done, I'll lay them out and you just twist them so that there's no worrying about seams or anything. It's super fast and it's super quick, and it makes a great charity quilt because you get to use stuff up, which is what I like to do. So take care. Okay, so here is the quilt put together. It's very scrappy. Usually the blocks look like these two here, where the strips are a little bit more organized and the squares are scrappy, but I decided not to do it like that all the way through. These four, you can see how they are like that. And then you come down here to this one, and the strip is different from the others. I just needed to get rid of some fabric, so this was the fastest way to do it, and I thought it came out really well. I will put it together. Not sure if I'm going to add a border to this or not. I might, just to keep it all together, but it's pretty big and it's ready to get quilted. Well, it will be when I make it into a top. Thanks for watching.